All-Stars powered by JY against the Muntinlupa Cagers. And sabi nga natin, much better quarter for the D-League. 23-20 in the third, Coach.
Yes, and another basket there by the D-League team, making it just a 22-point lead.
Tagal pa to, ha?
Oo, isang quarter pa to eh.
Ramos, crossover, atake sa gitna. No. Magno with the rebound. Ball knocked away by Argente. It's a 4-2 this time. Argente is denied.
Good block there, good defensive stop by the D-League team. Masyado silang nagmamadali.
Isabel. Ayaw. We go inside to Isabel, who misses for point blank range.
Sayang yun. Tutok na yun eh.
Argente. Get kay AJ Miranda. Ramos. Argente with the cut, and he puts it in, plus the foul.
Another good play by the Muntinlupa Cagers. Give and go nila talaga eh. Niintay nila yung mga cutters for na mau-open.
And ikaw naman ng Junior PBO D-League also, ang hirap eh, no? Kailangan bantayan na lahat ng backdoor na cut nitong Muntinlupa. And pasok muna natin si Daphne.
An impressive debut for the former JRU Bombers team captain Sean Argente, chipping in 13 points last game. Almost a month with the Cagers, and the transition has been very challenging for him. Kung sa college sistemado nga daw, dito ganun din naman pero may halong talino at kulang na sa paglalaro. Last game he scored 0 out of 6 from beyond the arc, kaya naman ngayon 2 3-pointers already, and that's how he wants to be identified here in the tournament. The young sharpshooter for the Cagers. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Daphne. And on cue, si Sean Argente, who's got 14 points. The young, kung the young sharpshooter, ano ka na lang, coach? Gusto niya yung tawag niya.
Young sharpshooter.
Hindi, pero baby face ito si Sean Argente, no? Akala mo, ito yung pupunta ka, may laro, kunwari, naka-uniform siya, hindi mo akalain na.
Oo, hindi mo siya yung bibit-bit eh. Oo.
Ito yung kakamada sa kabila.
Oo, parang ano lang, okay, parang pero po problemahin mo pala.
Good boy eh. Good boy looks eh. Yeah, 82-54 is the count. Lupa really
Up again 28 points. Naibaba na nila yan kanina. I think it was down 22, yes.
As I mentioned, the preseason, good experience para sa lahat. Kahit dito sa D-League All-Stars, exposure din. Always treat games like this as parang audition lagi.
Saka this is the time for the coaches para makita mo sino talaga yung player na swak sa sistema mo eh.
Bayani, the bounce pass inside, and AJ Miranda ayaw magbigay ng layup.
Bawal. Usually talaga mga veterano ayaw na makakashoot yung mga bata sa kanila eh.
Allergic sila sa mga ganyan.
Yung ba yung word doon? Allergic.
Ako allergic ako sa mga athletic. Pag naglalaro ng basket, allergic ako sa mga athletic.
Ako ngayon, allergic ako sa bata. Kasi naiiwan ka na.
Kaya nga, hirap. Serrano able to secure the rebound. Miranda gets away. Ang hirap ni AJ. Lalo na pag naka 5 out. Kasi libreng pag Pag ano niya pag atake niya, libre-libre, wala ano sa labas lahat ng depensa eh.
Open kasi yung ano nun eh. Open yung shaded lane nun eh. Open for attacks talaga yon eh.
MJ De La Vergen returns. Josh Alcantara. And Ajem Miranda will go to the bench. 21 points na si Ajem. Leading all scorers in this ball game. De La Vergen. This is the three. Russell Bayani. Draws the foul on Serrano. Gama Evangelista.
I have a question, Del. Yung mga players ba ng D-League, they're playing with good schools? Yung mga
I think so. But may
NCAA,
may I think other leagues as well.
other leagues as well, yes.
But may ano may there were initial lineup actually medyo star-studded. Collegiate standouts, but I think with a may ano na sa clearance sa mga
Sa mga
schools.
schools nila.
Extreme in subok at kompleto Francis brand ng Pilipinas. And if you're coach, this is a preseason tournament.
Yes.
Invitational, and let's not stress out on things that we cannot control.
Enjoy lang lahat. Enjoy lang tayo.
Enjoy lang tayo. Nag-ano tayo minsan dito Hindi na tayo nag-cover ng basketball. Bibigay din tayo ng mga life lessons.
Oo.
Nihintay ko yung life lesson mo na ibigay mamaya. Malay natin. Lumabas mamaya mga sharing ni Coach Vic ng mga kwento.
Mahirap yung life lessons ko eh.
Mahirap ba?
Baka ano yung makwento ko, hindi ako papasukin sa bahay namin mamaya.
Coach, huwag ka mag-alala. Kubala sa'yo. Daphne, what do you have for us?
Si Dolphin Coach Vic, bata man sa edad pero walang duda na marami ng pinagdaanan sa basketball itong si J. Mark Loren ng Junior MPBL D-League selection. Hailing from Makati, this 20-year-old guard shared how he personally has a lot of doubts for himself, but these questions he translates as answers that he can as long as he is willing to do so. Up to this day, it is still uncertain on where he will be heading in college, kaya gusto niya lang magpakitang gilas at magpakilala dito sa MPBL Preseason Invitational. Sa Dolphin Coach Vic.
Maraming salamat, Daphne. So, may mga big decisions. Ito si J. Mark Loren. Pwede siyang pumunta dito sa commentary booth after the game para managtanong kay Coach Vic kung anong magandang...
Pwede yan.
Oo. Kasi pwede rin pumunta siya ng Sampaloc, no? May
Oo.
din siya.
Pwede siya pumunta doon. Maraming masarap na kainan doon.
Oo, ama. May mga food, pwede siya mag-Sampaloc food crawl. Di ba? Nauso sa mga estudyante at mga Gen Z ngayon.
Oo, pwede na rin yung subukan habang nagpo-food crawl siya. Gusto niya magpapawis, mag-ensayo siya sandali sa isang eskwelahan doon.
Oo. Kailangan niya bang umakyat sa building?
Oo, kailangan niya umakyat.
Okay. Ang ano ba initials na school na to? NU? 87-59. Timeout ulit tayo dito. 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining dito sa ating first game. Muntinlupa still in command against the Junior MPBL D-League squad. This guy's been on a tear para dito sa Junior MPBL D-League All-Stars. Axel Rosales, 15 points on 3 of 12 shooting. A standout from the University of Makati, being handled by Coach Noy Pido, by the way. So,
Kaya naman pala.
oh,
Hindi mo gumalaw, oh.
Ano yan? Yan, Joren, again, continues to play well here. Alam mo yung what stands out for me for Joren? He is not phased kung sino, kahit sino nasa harap niya.
Totoo yun.
Kasi last game, Quezon, hindi naman biro yung mga nagbabantay sa kanya dun. Ngayon, Muntinlupa, wala. Hindi nagbabago yung laro niya.
Sigurado nakita na yan ni Coach Nash. Nakita na yan ni Coach ng coaching staff ng Adamson. Which nakita ko, nandun sila sa right side, nakatingin.
Actually, may discussion last game after ng game sa gitna. Hindi ko lang hindi ko lang mahubad yung headset ko sisigaw ko sana bawal yan. Gama Evangelista at the line. 25 points ang lamang ng Muntinlupa. Muntinlupa already in penalty.
This is the best time for you to experiment on some players sa bench.
Nakita ko
Pero ang
parang
lalim nila
no, they've given ample time for everyone, I think, to showcase their wares here. Kasi kung nakikita ko yung bench ngayon, Coach, parang nagamit lahat
Oo,
Halos,
nagamit lahat.
And I know there's not yet like an established star dito sa team na to ng Muntinlupa. But from player 1 to number 15 right now, ang isa na masabi ko, yung observation ko, they're all solid role players.
Yes, and
At some point na nagkaroon na ng isang moment nila dito sa MPBL.
And they were taught by Coach Tanta to just play their roles here in the team. Makikita mo kasi lahat sila the ball movement, the guy who's free can take the shot right away. Basta open ka, tira ka.
Alcantara with another big rebound. Villavergen, sobrang libre naman nun. Tapos, Mario is fouled by Alcantara.
And dun sa huling pasa kay De La Virgen, nakita mo talaga, they're really looking for the open man.
Best shot possible.
Best shot possible. Tama ka dun.
Straight. MJ, Alcantara back to MJ. 8 seconds on the shot clock. De La Virgen. Bigay kay Alcantara for 3. That's off the mark. Lloren with a rebound. Then Kale. That's it to Lloren. Lloren, step back 3. And Jason straight with the rebound. MJ. De La Virgen launches. It's off.
Pero tira niya yun no?
Yeah. Rosales to Bencale. Masyado masikip dun. Oh, Bencale gets away. Lloren able to get the pass. He will attack and gets denied there. Alcantara. Lloren putting pressure on the ball handler here. De La Virgen, great recovery. Pastoran will settle things down.
Good save by De La Virgen.
Jimboy. Alcantara, 3 seconds. Hinali, di pa rin pumasok. Ayaw pa rin.
Kanila pa rin ang bola.
MJ. Labas muna kay Jimboy. Tingnan natin ano gagawin ni Jimboy. Jumper free throw line. Alcantara. Kanina pa to talon ng talon, Coach.
Kahit sino dito, tinitignan ko talaga, kahit sino ipasok mo, everybody's really working hard. Offense and defense.
90-62. There's a foul on straight. All over but the final score here. Nantay na natin. So Muntinlupa expected to barge into the win column here in the preseason invitational. I'd like to thank MannyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Download ka na ng MannyPay, Coach.
Oo.
Download ka na kasi doon papasok yung TF mo.
It's a must.
Hindi ka, wag ka muna, siguraduhin mo na makapag-download ka and ma-verify ka.
Oo.
Alcantara continues to work hard. 92 to 63. Llore. Bencale. Russell. 5 seconds. Loses his balance. MJ. Jimboy. Libre sa 3. Ayaw pa rin. Ayaw 2 minutes ng ating laro.
It's a 29-point lead. Pero laro lang sila eh. Nakakatuwa nga yung mga
nakakatuwa.
bata.
Actually,
Talagang laro lang ng laro eh.
Up and down. Nakakaingit. Magpapawis.
Hindi mo nga mapapansin na kaya ka nasabi mo nga, hindi ko napansin na 29 points na palalaman kasi they're really playing.
Actually, they are not only playing, they are competing.
Yes, they are very much competing.
Competing hanggat sa makakaya nila. Kasi syempre, malakas itong Muntinlupa sa standards natin ngayon dito. Maraming salamat sa LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Mario, ang gusto ko lagi dito sa D-League All-Stars, may direksyon na ginagawa nila, coach eh.
Oo, sistemado sila. Ano lang talaga, mga bata pa. Tsaka medyo nahihiya pa eh.
And also, you have to remember na parang biglaan lang silang binuo eh.
Biglaan lang silang binuo. Okay, that's why. Pero ano naman eh, nakikita to play, nakikita mo yung effort nila to play the system. Yung pinagagawa ng coach nila.
I think, yung pinag-usapan namin ni Christian last time, the key concepts of some systems, kaya nilang gawin eh.
Totoo naman.
Syempre, there are going to be more complicated systems, no? May mga complex na yan. Pero sila, may mga tinatakbo sila na mas madali na simplified versions ng mga complex systems na nakikita natin.
Ang maganda rin na isa pa nakikita ko sa kanila, hindi sila umaalis sa sistema. Kung ano yung tinuturo sa kanila ng coach nila sa practice siguro. Yun talagang tinatakbo na. If they don't have that early offense, dadali nila doon sa sistema. It's either two-man game or di ba kanina tumawag sila ng horns. Basta may sistema silang sinusunod.
And you like that from a young team?
Oo. Mga coachable pa yan eh.
Coachable. Buti na, paubos na yung oras natin. Pero may second game pa tayo. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. 94 to 67, MJ. Jason. And was able to get it off in time. Di na pumasok. Rosales, pass was behind him. No, Desabel. Ayaw pa rin. Nakuha ni Jason straight. And it looks like could be it. 11-second differential. Game clock and shot clock. Cagers.
Good game for both teams.
Yeah, good game.
Yes.
Natutuwa si Boss Kaiser Galvez dyan. No? Medyo tatakbo pa yan sa papawis niya sa Makati. Kaya nagmamadali. Mukhang abot siya kasi alas 6 pa. Papawis. So 94 to 67 is the final score here. Actually, maganda simula ni AJ. Na-sustain niya lang hanggang dulo. In the second half, coach.
Ano siya, very steady yung game niya. 21 points, 3 out of 7 of the 3 points.
Maganda dito, no? He was getting a lot of baskets. No, kahit hindi siya yung off-ball movement niya.
Actually, coming off a system eh. Hindi niya talagang yung sariling kaya niya. It was coming off a system, a pass and cut, coming off mga pasa ng mga teammates niya.
And 94 to 67 is the final score. Muntinlupa with a victory over the Junior MPBL D-League squad powered by JY. Let's go to Daphne.